inside you. 난 내게 날아가 이런 것도 잊은채나 웃으며 너.
Hi, I am Jomar Gako. So this is a final requirement for BES 12. So for today's video, it's about sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development is an organizing principle for meeting human goals while simultaneously sustaining the ability of natural systems to provide the natural resources and ecosystem service on which the economy and society depend. The desired result, the state or society are living conditions and resources to use to continue to meet human needs without undermining the integrity and stability of the natural system. Sustainable development is referred as the idea of human being should sustain by meeting their basic needs while also making sure that the future generations are able to meet their basic needs. So, in other words, it is a way of organizing the society by which it can exist for a long duration without compromising on the availability of resources for future generations. For sustainable development, factors such as preserving the environment, natural resources along with maintaining social and economic equality need to be followed. It involves satisfying the needs of present population without endangering the capability of the future population to satisfy its own needs. This means that we want companies to expand, people to have job opportunities, everyone to afford nutritious food where they live, quality and affordable education for everyone, freedom of speech, equity, and our economies to grow exponentially. We want to develop innovative technologies while keeping the environment safe. It has three types, or called the three pillars. First is economic viability. It's an efficient and responsible use of resources that leads to a long-term profitability. Second one is the environmental protection. To conserve natural resources and the existing natural environment, and where possible to repair damage and reverse trends, reducing its carbon footprints, waste, and water usage while maximizing energy efficiency. Third one is social development or equity. An equitable access to opportunities, programs, services, food, safety, and medicine. This provides opportunity for us as human beings, but also for the planet. These three must work together. Next, importance of sustainable development. First, using the available resources judiciously and working towards maintaining the ecological balance. Second, to prevent degradation of the environment and laying emphasis on protecting the environment. Third, to prevent over-exploitation of resources. Fourth, agricultural requirement. Next, provides essential human needs, manages climate change, and sustain biodiversity, and more. Example of undergoing sustainable development. There is wind, hydro, and solar energy. Harnessing these energies to reduce pollution in the environment. Crop rotation. Planting different types of crops on the same land on a rotational basis for improving soil fertility. Next, efficient water fixtures and irrigation. Water efficient plumbing fixtures are technologies that makes water conservation attainable and helps achieve sustainable community. Next, green space. Mitigate the reflex of population and can reduce a phenomenon known as urban heat island effect. Next, sustainable forestry. It aims at forest preservation and more. Why is sustainability important? There are many benefits both short-term and long-term. We cannot maintain our Earth's ecosystem or continue to function as we do if more sustainable choices are not made. If harmful processes are maintained with no change, it is likely that we will run out of fossils, huge number of animal species will become extinct, and the atmosphere will be irreparably damaged. Clean air and non-toxic atmospheric conditions, growth of resources that can be relied upon, and water quality and cleanliness are all benefits of sustainability. To maintain sustainable development, we need to cooperate and we need to be on board. Are you with us?